Want to know who has viewed your TikTok profile and posts? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to enable profile views and post views on the TikTok app. Now let's get started. To see who has viewed your TikTok profile and posts, open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Tap Privacy. Then tap the switches labeled Post Views and Profile Views. Once these features are enabled, you can tap the footprint icon at the top of your profile to see a list of people who have visited your profile. To see who has viewed one of your posts, open the post you want to check and tap the comment icon. At the top of the comment window, tap Views. Here you'll see a list of people who have viewed your post. Note that when you have these features enabled, other users will also be able to see when you have viewed their profile and posts. You can go back and turn these features off at any time. That's all it takes to see who has viewed your profile and posts on TikTok. Want to learn how to save your TikTok drafts without posting them? Check out this video next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.